Hopefully, Module 1 went smoothly for everybody. Please remember that you could contact me at any time with questions or problems that you're having. In Module 2, we'll be talking about solving problems, coming up with strategic and operational plans for success. So if you remember last week, we talked about different types of managerial styles along with various environments, whether they be internal, external, global, that impacts sports along with social and ethical responsibilities of sports. So we hope to build on that, the foundation, and explore strategies and problem solving and create operational plans for success for sports. So what to expect? In Module 2, it's going to focus on problem solving strategies and planning success, which I just talked about. We will be discussing the NBA draft decision making process in relation to Danny Ainge's situation in 2017 as the GM of the Boston Celtics. He is no longer the GM of the Boston Celtics. You will also discuss the Green Bay Packers strategic planning strategies. I'm kind of bummed out about this because I'm a huge Bears fan. I know. Bears, Packers. You're going to go with the Packers, but hey, at least Bears got that number one pick this year. For your weekly assignment, you'll watch an episode of Undercover Boss, read an article by TechCrunch, and answer questions on GSI commerce. You will also complete a quiz on chapters 1 through 4. So, objectives for Module 2. They'll be to explain 4 functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, controlling. How do we apply it to various sports and recreational businesses? Being able to recognize social responsibility initiatives through the sports industry, analyze global business and how diversity impacts sport recreation operations. And after reading chapter 3, I'm not going to mention them all, but there's a whole list of objectives you should be able to know. Same with chapter 4. So in your to-do list is obviously read everything I talked about above, your 2 discussion questions, and you're going to have the quiz on chapters 1 through 4. There is not that weekly assignment. Sorry about that, I misspoke. Again, contact me with any questions, concerns you have. I hope this goes extremely well for you as well. I will talk to you soon.